Assalamu alaikum. I am going to explain how to use the GREE air conditioner remote control. If you live in a country that uses the Fahrenheit scale, then switch the remote control to the Fahrenheit scale. To switch to the scale, press the mode and temperature down button at the same time while the remote control is off. After that, we can press the on-off button to turn the remote control on. This is the mode button. You can use this button to change the air conditioner mode. The air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, dry, fan, and heating. First, we will explain the cooling mode. Press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, it means the air conditioner is cooling mode. Next, set the temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius or 70-75 degrees Fahrenheit using the temperature button. It is not recommended to set the air conditioner to a temperature lower than 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit in cooling mode, as staying in a cool room for a long time increases the risk of catching a cold. You can choose fan speed with a fan button. There are 4 speeds here: low, medium, high, auto. You can select the desired speed in cooling mode. It is more appropriate to choose a low fan speed in the bedroom. When you press the mode button again, water droplets appear on the screen. This is a dry mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the room. A fan speed cannot be set in dry operation. However, this mode is rarely used. Press the mode button again and the fan icon appears on the screen. This is fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner operates like a fan. To operate the air conditioner in heating mode, press the mode button once more and the sun symbol will appear on the screen. In heating mode, the temperature is increased to 27 to 30 degrees Celsius or 81 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Then select the automatic speed using the fan speed button. Selecting the auto speed mode allows the air conditioner to reach its rated power quickly. At the same time, it prevents the evaporator from freezing too quickly. In heating mode, when the air temperature leaving the air conditioner reaches 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, the blinds are moved to a position perpendicular to the floor. This helps warm to lower part of the room. There is another mode in the air conditioner. This is automatic mode. Press the mode button again to switch to automatic mode. The automatic mode of the air conditioner maintains the same temperature. The average temperature is 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. I will explain another button. This is the swing button. This button moves the flaps and changes the airflow direction. The sleep button is designed to protect our bodies from hypothermia. How does the air conditioner work in this mode? Let's say we set the air conditioner to 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit while we sleep and press the sleep button. When we press the sleep button, the moon and stars appears on the screen. In this case, after 2 hours, the air conditioner will increase the temperature to 23 degrees or 73 degrees Fahrenheit, and then after a few hours to 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The light button is used to turn the air conditioner display light on and off. When this button pressed, a fan symbol appears on the display. In this mode, after turning off the air conditioner, the fan will run for about 5 minutes, then the air conditioner will turn off. This is the turbo button. When you press this button, this icon appears. The turbo button runs the fan at maximum speed for approximately 15 minutes. The temperature button is used to display the temperature in our home and outside. The clock button allows us to set our clock. When we press this button, we see the clock icon flash. Then we set the time using the temperature buttons. After setting the time, confirm by pressing the clock button. Sometimes we want the air conditioner to cool or heat our house before we return home. In this case, we can set the air conditioner using the timer buttons. Timer on is used to turn the air conditioner on. Timer off is used to turn it off. Let's say we want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m. To do this, we press the timer on button and set the turn on time. Then press timer on. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off at 7 p.m., we press the timer off button and set the clock. Then press the same button again to confirm. To deactivate these functions, press these buttons again. To lock the remote control, press the temperature down and up buttons at the same time. To unlock, press the same button again. Thank you for following us to the end.